Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. Yellow color, red color, pink color, green color, blue color, parrot color, brown color, and the last one is orange color. Now let's color the apple.
A, B, C, D, E.
How many apples can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. So here are 4 apples.